two words to describe the fourth house in astrology is family and home. This is the house of privacy where you feel safe, relax, and escape the busy and noisy world at the end of the day. Fourth house deals with domestic environment, family life, family happiness, possessions, property, vehicle, and so on. Sun placed in the fourth house in a horoscope of an individual means the native usually takes a lot of interest in matters related to the domestic side, domestic priorities, and relations of his or her life. Such types of natives will take good care of his or her property as well as the family's welfare and will also maintain the social status and respect of the family. Being deeply rooted in the endeavors of home and bound to deeply bonded family ties, the native will have an utmost higher sense of domestic security and well-being of family members. Hi, I am astrologer Shankar Bhattacharjee. Today I will talk in detail the effect of Sun in 4th house. I will cover the influence of this placement on love life, marriage, education, career, and much more in this video. So do not skip any part of this video if you do not want to miss any important information. It could be financial concerns, educational concerns, career concerns, health concerns, or security concerns. He is always there with the family. The native is proud of his or her heritage, traditions, and identifies oneself with all the customs and traditions as well as do everything necessary to preserve them for a longer period of time. Sun in 4th house also gives the native high vitality and much mental and physical strength in his or her middle age of life. Sun in 4th house, especially if it is in Aries, Leo, Libra, and Aquarius sign, does create hurdles in getting full care and affection from his or her own mother in childhood up to the age of 12 years. These individuals often assert very high expectations from their children. The health of the progeny suffers as well, and they usually believe their children will do outstandingly well in their life, which many times do not come true. If these individuals hold any administrative or management position in their work or occupation in any big establishment, organization, office, or industry, then they boast their ego and become partial with his or her own liking and disliking at the workplace. When Sun is in 4th house in Virgo or Capricorn sign, sometimes their integrity also faces a question mark, especially in the profession, and undergoes an inquiry from government or higher authorities of the organization. Due to this position of Sun in the 4th house, you will be intelligent and brave from the middle part of your life. You will be a home bird, devoted to home comfort and family, and even you may work for your occupation and living from your own house as well. There will be a strong influence of parents, especially that of mother till middle age, on you very much. You will be devoted to your parents and the source of their happiness. Your parents will be proud of you and will boost your superior quality, achievements, and your meritorious deeds around others. When it's come to education, Sun in 4th house, if well placed, always delivers remarkable results and progress in the academic life of the native. Primary and secondary education of the native remains excellent with remarkable performance and excellent academic record, and it also carries up to his or her college education. The love life of these natives does not go far away and it does not remain in their life for a longer period of time. They do fall in true love once or twice in their life, but due to family, parents, and associations, their love life does not fructify into something meaningful in life. Bonds, attachments with their love partner will be broken because of trust issues as well. So, the love life of these individuals does not remain happy and happening always. When it comes to marriage, arranged marriage will be the most suitable kind of marriage for these people. Male or female with sun in 4th house of birth chart usually goes for the partner of their parents' choosing and liking. They search and finds their life partner with the eyes of their parents and family members. Although married life remains happy generally, with occasional differences and outbursts of emotions. If Sun and 7th house is not badly afflicted in the chart, then their married life sustains for a longer period of time. When we talk about career, then this is very certain that Sun in 4th house always helps those individuals who are in government, semi-government service sector or seeking opportunity in local government and municipality sector. This position of Sun is good for any service related to public domain and even in active politics, as it is also enhances the person's career and brings growth and prosperity through the profession. Sun in 4th house gives a person any kind of profession which serves large public and masses. People with this placement often like interior design and architecture. 4th house is the house of professions related to real estate and land in astrology. When Sun is placed in this house and make a connection with 10th house or its lord, then it could be a good sign of earning money through these fields. While you tend to dedicate your time and in fact whole life for building strong foundations and associations with family members and blood relatives, but there will be many occasions in your life also where you'd like to be liberated and just get away from all responsibilities, bonding, relations and emotions. Such people with Sun in 4th house remains under the strong influence of their parents, which can be both good or bad, bliss and curse at the same time depending on these situations. Home is the place where you tend to shine out and you will be the most respected member in the family. Home is the place where you will be most comfortable and happy and can be just truly yourself. Home is the place where you can implement and employ your domineering self in an attempt to be the king of the palace or main important person in the home and family. But always remember that nobody prefers a bossy, proud, domineering attitude and behavior for a long period of time. And thus, Sun in 4th house makes a person unhappy and mentally worried also sometimes. Sun here also gives anger issues, prone to frustration and fights at home due to ego and impatience. The results of Sun in 4th house may vary from person to person because of different signs, nakshatra and many other factors of the chart. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and select the notification bell for next videos on really some interesting topics in this series, where you will learn astrology and other occult subjects in more logical and easier way. If you have any question on today's topic, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section below.